Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced from alexmercedcoder.com, and this is going to be a real quick one. This one's just on destructuring your data in Python. Okay, so in JavaScript, one of my favorite things is the ability to destructure objects and destructure arrays. You can kind of pretty much do it pretty simply in Python. So imagine if I have a variable, so this is my array, which equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and I would like to separate those variables into different variables. I could just literally do this. 1, 2, 3, 4 equals my R. And what that does is just takes the first value in my array, assigns it to the variable 1, takes the second value in my list and assigns it to variable 2, takes it, and you guys get the idea. So now if I were to go print 1, 2, 3, 4, let's run the code, you'll see that it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. Okay, now this gets a little bit more complicated if you wanted to like destructure a dictionary. There isn't necessarily the same, at least that I'm aware of, the same sort of key destructuring you can do in JavaScript. So what you can do is, I think you can iterate over your dictionary. So let's try that out. So we'll say my dictionary or my dict. And we're going to put here name Alex Merced, and then over here we'll put age, and age will be 34. Okay, and what we're going to do is we will do this. We're going to say for key, and I think it's like, I think you can do something like this, like it's for key value in my dict. So what that does is we're gonna have two variables, key and value. So we'll have name and Alex Merced the first time around, age and 34 the second time around. Then what I can do is then create a variable. Okay, let's try this. I'm not even sure if this is a thing, but let's give it a shot. First, we'll create a variable by the name of the key. See if this works. That equals the value. Okay, and then if that worked the way I think it's going to work, which I'm taking a shot in the dark at the moment, I should end up with name and age. Okay, well, let's see if that works. Nope. Okay, too many values to unpack. Yep. I figured that was a little ambitious. Okay. But let's see here. Let's too many values to unpack. I think it's actual problem. Well, let's see. Let's just do this. We'll just say first we'll push them into an array. So we'll create a new array here. Values equals an empty list, and then we will do values dot append, and then we will just append the value. And then, so that should be like Alex Merced 34, and then I can do name age equals values, and that should work. This is a bit of a long-winded way to break down a dictionary. I'll do a quick search right afterwards to see if there's a more succinct way, but this should work. Okay, key value pairs, too many values to unpack. So it is complaining about this whole key value thing here. So let's do a quick search. Okay, when we're not 100% sure, we should always go read the docs. Okay, so we'll wait for Google Chrome to load up. I mean, technically I could just do this for value. So maybe key value isn't the way I need to do that, but I should be able to do for value in my dict and get in the same place. and make this work. Yep, there you go. Wait a second, name, age. Ah, so the value is going to be the key. So it's for every key in my dictionary. So what I really want to do is this. My dict key. And then there we go. We should end up where I want to be. And there you go, Alex Merced 34. So if you want to destructure a dictionary, that's kind of the process you would go through. Not quite as suave as like JavaScript destructuring, but let's just check whether there is a better way. Python destructuring a dictionary. I mean, that previous array list method would work with a tuple or a set, but destructuring dictionaries in Python. Is this going to just give me the same answer? I think it's going to, if this is what I think it is. ECD for, yeah, that's for key in the thing. Okay. I think that's by a little bit more complicated, but, or I just think it's a sort of more succinct version of this. But essentially all this is doing is you're just taking all the values into an array and then assigning the names after the fact, which I think is pretty much what that's doing. So this is creating an array out of D. Okay, or K in. Yeah, it's essentially spreading. And that's actually a good question. Is there a spread operator in Python? It's in other languages, and I think it's really useful. But does it exist in Python? It looks like it might. Spread operator for Python. So you have a dictionary, you want both the copy, you want the copy and update in JavaScript. This compound will get you its own syntax called the object spread operator. After returning the, we updated it in JavaScript, you can use the spread operator. Yeah, that's kind of how it would. Okay, you can replicate this behavior list in Python by just basically doing old list. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, that's right. That after running snippet new object and copy old object. Hello. Turns out you can also do this in Python. So essentially what that's saying is if I had two dictionaries, let's say I had my dict2 and that one had my email. Okay. My email, alex at alexmerced.dev. Okay, and I wanted to get that all into one dictionary. What I could do is I can go back, I'll go down here. I'll say my dict3 equals a new dictionary, except we're going to expand the original my dictionary and expand the my dictionary 2, and then let's print it. My 3, and then that should all just be one dictionary with all the information. So let's see if that's the case. And yeah, that's how that worked. See, that's neat. Okay, so you do have these two asterisks that kind of act the same way that a spread operator does in JavaScript. So that's good to know. That's useful. I will see you guys later on. Have a great day and enjoy.